Hi everybody and welcome to Fun Phonics. So today we are going to recap the digraph sound E. Can I hear you say that? So it goes E. Do it again. E. Brilliant. Now, who can remember what's a digraph? It's two letters that make one sound. Brilliant, you remembered. Now this is what our digraph looks like. So it's an E and an E. And when they're together, holding hands, they make the digraph E. So we've got our digraph E here. Now let's practice writing it. So get your pen ready. And we're going to do our lead in. We're going to go up and loop the loop. And again, our lead in up and loop the loop. And that says E. Okay, so now we're going to look at some words that feature the digraph E. Now I need your help to help me read these words. So here we've got D, E, P, deep. Here we've got S, L, E, P, sleep. Here we have K, E, P, keep. And this is a special word because it has two digraphs. Queen, queen. Right, so now we've just written those words together. Well done. We're going to put them into a sentence. So our first word was deep. Deep. Let's go deep underwater. Ready? Let's go deep under the water and swim under the water. What can you see? Oh, brilliant. Now our next word was sleep. Sleep. Pretend you're asleep. You can say, I am asleep, or I had a good sleep. Brilliant. You're doing such a good job, guys. Now the next word was keep. Keep. Let me see you do that one. Brilliant. You're doing such a good job, guys. Now keep. I can keep a cat. That means it's mine. If I keep something, it means it's mine. Brilliant. And the last one, which was the special one because it had two digraphs. What was a digraph again? That's right, two letters, one sound. Brilliant. So the last word was special because it had queen. Queen. I am a queen. That's it. Pretend you've got a crown on your head. Brilliant. Well done, guys. Let's have a go one more time at writing that digraph together. So get your pencil ready. We do your lead in. We go up and round. And we do the same again. We do our lead and we go up and round. And that says E. I'd like you to challenge yourself now. I'd like you to think of one of the words or one of your own words that features the digraph E and have a go at writing it in a sentence. Now let's remember, our sentences always start with a capital letter and they end in a full stop. Not a football, a full stop. Brilliant. Have a go at doing that and then see if your mummies and daddies can put it on tapestry so that we can have a look at your brilliant work. Well done, guys. Bye.